Hi, I'm Ron Pinkerton. I'm the tech coach at Thunderbird High School, and I am going to show you how to create your English 3-4 website. We're going to start by going to Google Drive. Now, at the bottom of your screen, you should see an icon that looks something like this. So click on that to get to your Google Drive. Now, I've been working here for quite a while, so I have a lot of folders, but you, on the other hand, probably don't. You may see this as fairly empty, but we are going to create a new folder. Now, if you already have an English 3-4 folder, I want you to double click on that and then create a new folder inside it. If not, we'll just shift those folders around later. So you're going to start by clicking on New, and then you're going to click on Folder, and you're going to call this English 3-4 website. Okay. And so then you're going to double click on that website, and that's going to give you an empty folder. Now you need to click on New, scroll down. You have three options here, but you're going to go to More and scroll down to about the fourth one. You'll see it says Google Sites, and that's going to create your Google site. Yeah. Now, first thing you need to do is you need to name this document. And so you're going to start by clicking in the Enter Site Name part, and you're going to type in your first and last name. Now, for the purpose of this, I'm just going to write in your name. Please don't name your website your name. You're going to write your name, English 3-4. Okay. And you're going to do the same thing here where it says page title. So easy way to do that is to hit highlight it, hit Control C, and then click where you want to place that and hit Control V. Now you can change that however you want it to make it look different. Whatever you want to do to make it look pretty for you. Now this is the main theme, the basic theme, simple theme for the website. You have a couple of other options to make it look different. Not a lot. Google Sites is a fairly simple setup. I like the simple style fonts and everything, so it's your choice. You can also change the background image, upload a picture, or pick one of your own by downloading something, your call. But that's how your website is going to, the banner is going to be set up. You can change the size of the banner as well. I like the banner, or you can just leave it blank, but I don't think that looks that great. All right. Inside here, you're going to add some text. So to do that, you have the option of clicking these options, or just double click anywhere in the white area. Now you can do a lot of things. You can upload images, upload documents, websites, or anything from your Google Drive. But for right now, we're just going to click on the center and hit text. Now, we'll go ahead and center that so it appears in the middle, and we want to make it nice and big, so we're going to do title case. We have your name where right up here. We have your class here, so I just want you to type in the period. And actually, let's go above that. We're going to type in the teacher. So let's say, for the purposes of this, you are in Miss Puma's class. And then you are in period 6. Just as an example. Okay, that's all you're going to have for your home page, your main page. Then you're going to add a page by clicking up here on Pages. You're going to add a page. You're going to call that page your weekly reading log. Okay, and when you do that, you'll notice that along with the home up here on the banner, you're going to see weekly reading log appear. Okay. I like to, again, have the banner there, your choice. And then you're going to enter in on this the book title, and the author of your book. Now, if you want to make it look a little bit nicer, you can look up online for a picture of the book title. You can do a search of Google for those images and add that there. But that's your choice and something we'll let you mess around with later. Now, every week you're going to do some reading. So let's say next week you are going to do your reading, and then you need to enter in your response to the reading log. So you're going to add a sub-page by clicking the three dots here and creating a sub-page. And we're going to call the sub-page the date of that reading log. So next Friday will be 8/18/17, and then we're going to click done. And so that gives us a sub-page. So we have our home page, our weekly reading log, and our sub-page. Now your viewers of your website are going to see home here, weekly reading log, and then a drop-down of the date. And then you will double-click, hit the text, and fill in your response. It's that simple. Later in the semester, you're going to be creating your book project. So you'll be adding another page that you will call book project or something like that. But we'll get to that when the time comes. Now, all of this looks good, except nobody can see it. Before anyone can see your website, you need to publish it. And anytime you make a change, you need to publish it. So you're going to click publish, and you're going to name your site, your name, actual name, not the words your name. English 3-4. Now, anytime I hit a space, it's going to give me a hyphen, and it won't do any capital letters. So even though English is always supposed to be capitalized, and so is your name, it won't let that happen. Once you've done that, you're going to hit publish, and it is now available on the web. If you want to see it, click down here where it says view, and you can see what your website looks like, and all of your reading logs and all of those items. Now make sure you're clicked on home. You need to highlight this, the web address at the top, click Control-C to copy, and then you're going to paste it wherever your teacher would like. In Google Classroom or in a shared document, ask your teacher for instructions on that. All right, thank you for your time.